Creating a shared view in AutoCAD is really simple. Click on the Collaborate tab and then on Shared Views. You'll need to be logged into your Autodesk account, and from here you can just click on Create a new shared view. You're able to choose what information you'd like to share, and once you're ready, click on Share. The process will run in the background, and as soon as your shared view is ready, a little pop-up will appear in the bottom right-hand corner. From here we can click on View in Browser, and this will take us onto the internet. Here's our shared view, which we can view on practically any device. So if you want to see this on an iPad or a phone, this is possible as well. Users are able to measure, zoom, and mark up from the web browser. So in this example, we're going to go and create a markup. And in the markup, we're going to use the cloud tool to highlight this text, and we're then going to add our own comment. So this comment is going to go in as a text comment. And once we're happy with the text comment, we're able to save this information back to the shared view. And this is actually shared back to the markup that we made earlier. Inside of AutoCAD, if we refresh our view, we can see that there's one comment that's been added to our share. And clicking on that will again launch our viewer. So from here, we can then click on the comment, and we can see the window that was added before. So we've got the option to reply to this markup either in the web browser or back inside of AutoCAD. So in this example, we're going back into AutoCAD and we're saying, yes, this is all correct, and we're happy with that. Clicking on Resolve will resolve this comment. A few other things we need to know. These shared views are only available for 30 days, but you can extend them by clicking on the three little dots and clicking Extend. It's also worth noting that you can share a shared view by clicking Copy Link and pasting that into an email. Hope you enjoy using shared views.